9/14/2012. We are updating our SML called the CBOE S&P Small Cap 600. And Small Cap 600, as we said back over in here, that Small Cap 600 would lead the rally. And I just want people to know that the bull has been reborn with the QE3 and the Federal Open Market Committee. Mr. Bernanke has extended low rates out until the middle of 2015. The fiscal cliff that people have talked about all year has been stimulated and avoided. That means that markets have changed, and we will be completely updating what the election cycle will look like, but we have monetary policy change in a really big way. And worldwide, central bankers are going to flood their systems with tons of money, tons of capital. Small cap is a leading area of our economy. And small cap, small businesses have not been able to do anything because they've sat on the sidelines. So, with the Federal Reserve behind us, we're going to look at, once again, all of the stocks that are in the small cap and the leaders in here. And small cap leads rallies. Small cap leads bull rallies. They have to. And these are all the names that I'm showing in here in the small cap arena. We already have each individual stock in the small cap arena that is the leadership in the small cap. And why is the small cap breaking out to all-time highs now? Let me just caution people. With the amount of stimuluses that are being injected into our systems in the U.S. and worldwide, that means that these small caps are eventually going to perform. That is, if they're not paying bigger taxes. Right now, we only care about the fact that we have taken out the small cap has broke the financial crisis that started right here in 2007. And it's been a long run off of the 2009 bottom, and we've made all-time highs in the small cap. Let that be known. It's a major part of a new bull, that the bull got a major stimulus to it, meaning that it got steroids. So what? You got to take these things higher. You got to buy the dips. Things are going to change. Hedge fund managers, institutional managers, mutual fund managers, they've all been on the sideline. I would be happy to announce that we are going to get back to traditional bull cycles with the stimuluses. And what do I mean by that? The small cap will break up here. It's leading the rally. This right here. And we've always said it. So basically, we're going to go shopping for the best stocks. I will let people know that we are short-term going to hit overbought levels, and pullbacks will be viable. Fund managers are going to have to chase performance. They're underperforming 2012. Now they have the Fed and the stimulus behind them, and it's all the more reason to bid up these small caps. Yes, I'm not saying that the earnings are going to be that great, but it really won't matter, because what will end up happening with the amount of stimuluses around the world, and we get people back where growth is between, let's say, 1.7 and 2.7%. Small caps are going to be bid up. People are going to chase it. The train has left the station. This is the major rally. We'll talk a lot more about this over the next several months coming. And that the bull is totally back in charge. And small cap is a great place to look at. It's the gauge of our economy. It's a gauge of bull runs, bull markets, bear markets. They lead rallies up. We've always said it, and I'm going to be covering some other indexes as well. So once again, Multi-year highs on the small cap. This is the part where we want to see that eventually these small businesses, small cap 600, start hiring people. See, the only thing that we have missing is people hiring people. And they're still going to have to deal with their earnings cycle. And they're still going to have to deal with how they pulled their estimates down in the earnings cycle. And these small caps will perform. They're able to bring their profit strategies in line. So therefore, we will go shopping and we will pick out the best of the breed. We have a 2-week breakout to multi-year highs.